This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about trash can liners, specifically these RW Eco compostable can liners. And we have the 8-gallon size here, but they also come in 3 and 13-gallon size options. They're a nice green plastic liner that gives a kind of nice subtle nod to their eco-friendly nature. They're made from a cornstarch-based bioplastic that is commercially compostable and biodegradable. They're an eco-friendly way to collect and toss your trash for your business. The tear-resistant bags also feature a star seal on the bottom. So instead of opening completely flat, you'll see that it's kind of folded over and sealed down there to just give you some increased security on the bottom of your bags and help prevent leaks, which is fantastic. Nobody likes a leak in the bottom of the trash can. The capacities are printed on the side, making it easy for people to grab the right size bag and also easy to do inventory and know what you need to reorder. So they're perfect for all types of food establishments, but also for your office or just at home.